We got a lid and we got a huge chimney. Partial hose pipe. This is to keep all the traders out of the centre of town. The caravans will come in here and then do all their trading. But now it's some sort of recycling market apparently, so let's wander in and have a look. Wow, look at this place. Everything's getting recycled. Good to see, no waste. So there's the entrance from the other side. Let's have a look around. Wow. Everything thematically stacked up. So I think we found the area of the market that I would gravitate towards if I lived here. Look, we got the doing stuff with barrels section. So I reckon these guys could definitely hook me up with a barbecue barrel. In fact, yeah, look, you got loads around here, all over in the corner as well. Brilliant. Apparently they can knock it together very, very quickly. Right, we found a finished product. Look at this barbecue. Beautiful. You got that, put the wood in at the bottom and then you can cook on the top, and we got a lid. Or you can have all different sizes if you want. Amazing. And then there's all the barrels that have been repurposed. Right, now we're getting into the really fancy barbecues. Look at this one. We got a lid and we got a huge chimney. And then all sorts of other chimneys down here. Amazing. Look at this, we got DIY curlers or hairbrush, partial hose pipe, partial I don't know what that is, but that's very cool. So you can heat that up and then brush it through your hair. Brilliant. We've now found all the spare parts. We've got the car section. If you want to fix anything on your hilarious 40s Fiat, I think this is the place to come. Don't know if you can hear that, but it is madness in here. I think that's a generator. Wow, that's loud. There we go. Got some dried peppers. And then over here we've got all sorts of different spices. Delicious. And then here we are where those 9 peppers, well, the peppers and the 9 spices all get ground together in one of these. And we end up with whatever this orange stuff is. Questo come si chiama?
Berbere.
Berbere. So this is the actual spice. Nope, let's have a look. Oh. Questo ho già provato, no? Sì, Karen. No, questo è differente.
Differente.
Okay, so this is a different one to the one I tried in Karen. Looks great. Let's try it. Look. Delicious. Quite spicy, but very nice. Check it out.